Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a serving tray on Dress to Impress. It is the most simple hack ever in my opinion, but you're just going to get this coconut, color it to whatever color you like. I'm just going to kind of color everything first to like my liking. Then you're going to select the hold one instead of the drink toggle. You're then going to find this purse on the purse section, and I'm just going to color it white for the tray, or you can color it whatever color you want to. Maybe like what's a gray color or a gold one maybe to be fancy, but color it metallic obviously, or like a silver tray if you'd like to. It's up to you, but I'm just going to color it all the same. I'm going to add the metallic texture. And that is how you can create a food tray on Dress to Impress. Unfortunately, I think it only works for the coconut. I'm not sure if it works for the apple or the other drink, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!